Alright, so today I'm going to be demonstrating how to use geolocation. So I'm going to be running through two examples. The first one is going to be how to print out the user's coordinates, so their latitude and longitude, and then the second one will be how to display a map of the user's location. So to start off here, I just have the basic HTML elements. So inside the body, I'm just going to create a paragraph. Just going to say something like click this button to gather coordinates. Okay. So now I'm going to create the button itself. So I'm just going to say button on click equals get location. And then I'm just going to say try it, and then end tag for the button. So now I'm going to go down here and create the paragraph ID. I'm just going to say paragraph ID equals demo. Okay, NP. Alright. So now I'm going to be working inside of this script. So these script tags allow you to write JavaScript inside of the HTML. So this is where I'll be writing all of the code for the geolocation itself. So to start off, I'm going to say variable equals document dot get element by ID and then demo. Alright, and then now I'm gonna create a function get location. And then I'm going to create an if else statement. So I'm going to say if navigator dot geolocation, and then I'm going to say same thing, this navigator dot geolocation, but then I'm going to add in a dot get current position, and then show position. Okay, and then I'm gonna go down here, drop down here, and do the else. So I'm just gonna add in a statement just in case it fails. So I'm just gonna say not supported. All right. So now I'm gonna create the function show position. Alright, so then now I'm gonna do x.inner HTML equals, and then I'm gonna say latitude, space that out. I'm gonna add in the position dot chords dot latitude, and then so now I have the latitude in there. Now we're going to do the same thing for the longitude. So we're going to let's see here. Going to add in a line break, and then longitude. All right. Add in a space again. So now same thing. Position dot chords dot longitude. Alright, so should be it. This should work here. This is just the way, I think there's a lot of different ways that you can get the user's latitude and longitude. This is just the way that I found the easiest. Just make sure everything looks right here. Alright, go ahead and save it. And then I'm going to open it up in this browser that I already have. So once you refresh it, so this button that I created should pop up here, and then once you click try it, it's going to ask for the user's location. Obviously, you're going to allow that, and then it should print out the latitude and longitude right here. So there you go. This is just my current latitude and longitude. So that's how you do that first test. Okay, so now I'm going to go ahead and run the second geolocation test. So I'm going to create the map. So just to save some time here, I already put in some of the code. So I have the function show position, and then the alert just in case the geolocation fails from the browser. So now I've already defined the callback function for the failed attempts, so just the different types of error failures. And then I'm going to create the callback function for the successful attempt with the map. And then I'm going to create the button. Alright, so to get started here, we're going to put in the function show map position. And then we're going to do, to get the location data, we're going to put in the lat and the lon. So we're going to do lat equals position dot chords dot latitude. And then same thing for the long here. We're going to say long equals position dot chords, but then we're going to do longitude. So longitude. All right. And then now we're going to put in this variable lat long equals new Google dot maps dot lat long. Now we're going to say lat lowercase that lat comma space long semicolon. All right. So that looks great. Next, we're gonna put in the options for centering and zoom. So this will give the user control to like move the cursor on the map and zoom in, zoom out, and all that stuff. This is optional as well. So variable my options, and then we're gonna go ahead and say center lat long zoom. Just gonna put it in as 16, and then map type control true, and then navigation control options. We're gonna put in style Google dot maps dot navigation control style, and then there we go. Okay, so let me make sure I did this right here. Got that there. Okay, and then next we're gonna put in a couple of variables. So we're gonna say map equals new Google dot maps dot map, and then document dot get, same as the last example here, document dot get element by ID, and then we're going to say embed map, and then my options semicolon. All right, and then the next variable is just going to be the marker. So var marker equals new new Google.maps, and then it's going to be dot marker. That's going to be position lat long map, and then I'm going to add in a title. Let's just do you are here, add a space there, and then semicolon. Okay, so that should be that for the successful attempts. And like I said, I already defined for the failed attempts just to save some time. So all I have left now is I have the end script tag, and then in the body I'm gonna create a button. So I'm gonna go ahead and put in button type equals button on click. I'm just gonna say it's gonna be show position. All right. Show position, and then just gonna say position on a map. All right, and then end of the button tag. Now we're gonna go down here and create a div ID. Div ID equals embed map, and then style. This is optional too. You know, you can mess around with it. This is just what I'm gonna use. Style. I'm gonna say width 800 pixels. And then go ahead and put in the height. We're gonna do 500 pixels here. And then there you go. And then just put in this end div tag here. And it should be it. Should be everything here in order to create the map. So let's go ahead and save that, and then refresh this page. So it's gonna pull up your position on a map. It's gonna ask for the user's location, and then here you go. It's gonna print out the map. So this is where I am currently. You know, you can mess around with it. Zoom. You have the options to zoom in and zoom out. So yeah, there we go. There's first one here is to get again to get the latitude and longitude coordinates, and then the second one is to gather the map with the marker and the abilities to move around and zoom in and zoom out. So there you go. Thank you.